Hi, do you want to make an alarm using Piezospeaker? So if you do, this is what our video is about. We're going to use Piezospeaker to create an alarm. How do we do so? In the previous video on Piezospeaker, we understand the sound frequency is basically controlled by the square wave of the voltage signal. And if we can control how long each half cycle will be on high and how long will be on off, on low, then we can control the frequency of the sound. So knowing that basics, and we know in order to create a sound, you want it to have different frequency, and that frequency change is continuous. In other words, if I have start with a half cycle period as 125 microsecond, and next one I want to be 126 and then 127. So how to achieve that goal? We're going to use for loop. Okay, so first we have this wire set it up. We have Piezospeaker. This is ground. This is going to be positive. Our 13 is going to be our voltage output. So P mode 13 as output. In the loop, we'll have for loop. We start with 0 and increase 1 each time and ends at 99, right? So basically there are 100 frequency you are creating. So first digital write 13 on high. How long do we want that be? We want a delay. Here is something different. We normally have just delay, parenthesis, that means how many milliseconds. But here we're dealing with microseconds. So you can put a delay microseconds. All right. So in that situation, when I is equal to 0, my first delay is 125 microseconds. Okay. Then we'll put a digital 13 on low. We'll delay also for 125 seconds. Then after that down, we're gonna I becomes 1. So in that situation, you know this time it's gonna delay 126, right? So in that situation, we are getting more and more half cycle time. Let's see how that sounds. All right, so that's one sound. And also, I'm just curious, how about if we start with let's see here, if the last number is 225, that's going to be our last 225 microseconds. And then in this situation, I is going to be less than 1. And then this situation, we're going to minus. So in that situation, what do we have here? We'll start with 225. Earlier we start with 125, right? And now we start with 225. And let's see, then the next number will be 224. The very last will be 0. Let's see what's happened. Will this make a difference? It's wrong. Well, I got low sound. So there's something not right, right? All right, so then I did a little quick fix. I will actually go back to change this I range to be the same. But here, instead of 125 plus 0, I will start with my final frequency. It's final half cycle period is 225. So 225 minus 0, which means it's 225. What I'm trying to achieve here is actually make that period time go down instead of going up. Okay, so start as 225, then 224, then getting to the last point, which is about 100 minus 100, so that's about 125. So it starts on 225 to 125, and you will hear alarm is going at different pitch. Let's see. All right, okay, So have fun playing with this alarm sound in the Piezospeaker. And also watch out for some other projects out there. You can actually make music from this. You just need to get the library, get the sound pitch at different frequency and make sound. All right, have fun tinkering. See you next time. Bye.